Hello dear friends and followers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about important topic of law, that is judicial review. Judicial review is one of the extraordinary power which is vested with judiciary. So let's understand what is judicial review. Judicial review is the power of the courts to examine whether a law, order, ordinance or judicial decision passed by legislature or executive is in accordance with constitution or not. If in case the court confirms such acts conflict with the constitution, then it can declare it as unconstitutional. The principle of judicial review was first established in the case of Marbury vs. Madison 1803 in the United States. It was a landmark judgment given by Supreme Court of United States headed by Justice John Marshall. The judgment given was the courts have power to strike down laws, statutes and some government actions if they found to be violative of the Constitution. Indian Constitution adopted principle of judicial review from the Constitution of United States. Now let us see constitutional provisions of judicial review in India. Article 13 subclause 2 in the Constitution prescribes that the state shall not make any law which takes away the fundamental rights. If such law is passed, then it shall be held as null and void by the court. This article provides for the basis of judicial review. The power of judicial review is vested with Supreme Court of India under Article 32 and 136 of our Constitution, and High Courts are vested with this power under Article 226 and 227. Now let us see some case laws. In Keshwanand Bharti vs. State of Kerala 1973, Supreme Court of India enlarged the scope of judicial review and held that judicial review is the part of basic structure of the Constitution. In Minerva Mills vs. Union of India 1980, the Supreme Court ruled that everything in India is subjected to judicial review. In I.R. Kohilu vs. State of Tamil Nadu 2007, the Supreme Court held that after 24th April 1973, any laws inserted in the 9th schedule of the Constitution, if it found to be violative of the Constitution, then it is subjected to judicial review. So this judgment limited the Parliament power under Article 368. Judicial review is not absolute in nature, but it is subjected to certain limitations, such as judicial review is vested only with the higher courts such as Supreme Court and High Court. Lower courts have no such power, and it checks only procedural lapse in the cases, not decisions. In only necessary situations, judiciary examines political questions. So, judicial review plays a very important role in protecting the fundamental rights and keeps check on arbitrary provisions or actions.